Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to discuss the fixed beam with eccentric couple. See here, this is my fixed beam. The coupling is acting with some eccentricity. That means it is not acting with an equal distance. I have already discussed when the couple is acting at center. So in this video I'll clearly explain the derivation when the couple is acting with some eccentricity. That means distance, if it is not acting at center, how to calculate the derivation. Okay. See here, in previous video also, when fixed beam with couple is acting at center, I have used Maclaurin's method and have calculated the derivation. So in this for this also, fixed beam with eccentric couple also, I will use the Maclaurin's method and I will calculate the fixed end moments at A and B. See here, this is my diagram. Fixed end B and the couple is acting with some eccentricity. By seeing this diagram, we should clearly identify how the fixed end moments will act. See here, the couple is acting in clockwise direction. So here this is my couple. When it is acting in clockwise direction, so when it is acting in clockwise direction, the fixed end moments are also acting in clockwise direction, right? This is my moment at A and this is my moment at B. You should clearly know that when the couple is acting in clockwise direction, the fixed beam will also act in clockwise direction. When couple is acting in anti-clockwise direction, fixed end moments also act in anti-clockwise direction. Couple clockwise direction, the fixed end moments also act in clockwise direction. When couple is acting in anti-clockwise direction, the fixed end moments also act in anti-clockwise direction, both at A and B. Okay, see here. By using Maclaurin's method, we will calculate fixed end moments. Okay. Before calculating fixed end moments, see here, now once again I am drawing here, this is my fixed beam when couple is acting with some eccentricity. This is my moment at A and this is my moment at B. This is my fixed end moment at A and this is my fixed moment at B. A point and this is my B point. Okay. So for calculating this one, I am taking the section here from left hand. I am taking the section between AB. Here I am taking a section XX. And this section is acting at a distance x. See here. Here I am taking a section between A to B from left to right. I am taking the section xx at a distance x. So how the equation will come? So I am writing the moment at section xx. This is my section xx. So this is my beam. Left support is MA and right support is MB. So I am taking the section before left side. So I am taking here the section XX. So what are the moments will be act before the section XX? Moment at A will act and couple M0 will act and this one. So see here. Here I am drawing the free body diagram once again. For a fixed beam, horizontal force, vertical force and couple will be act, right? Sorry, moment will be act. This is my fixed beam, right? Here also horizontal force, vertical force and moment. So here this is my horizontal force and this is my moment at A. This is RA, this is RB and this is my horizontal force B. And this is my moment at B. Okay, here horizontal force are neglected, right? So here I am drawing like this, M0 and this is my A point and this is my B point. So B is nothing but L minus A is equal to B ma. Okay, so here I am taking a section XX. So this is my section and this is my distance x. So what are the forces it will be act here? Here horizontal force is 0. Why? Because no horizontal load is not acting. So without horizontal load, no horizontal reaction will not be taking place. So horizontal force is 0. Okay. So what are the remaining forces? Here I am writing. Clearly I will write here in the next page by seeing this diagram. So horizontal force is 0. So I am taking a section XX between A point and B point. From A to B, from left side portion I am calculating. Here I am taking section XX. So what are the forces it will be at section XX? Reaction at A, moment, fixed end moment and couple. So I am writing like this. See here, what is the moment formula? Force into distance. So RA into X, force into the distance up to section XX. Next, horizontal force is neglected, so it is 0. Next, moment, fixed end moment, which is see here, RA is acting in which direction? Clockwise direction. So see, you should know, if it is in clockwise, I am taking it as positive. If it is an anti-clockwise, I am taking it as negative. Okay, if it is clockwise, I am taking it as positive. If it is an anti-clockwise, I am taking it as negative. Okay, this is the symbols. Okay, so force is acting with how it is moving. It is moving in this direction. So it is in clockwise direction. So it is RA into X. So it is plus RA into X. Next, moment in which direction? Clockwise, plus MA. Couple is acting in also in clockwise direction. So it is also M0. Okay, so this is my moment at section XX. So by using Maclaurin's method, what we will know, ma? Moment at some section is equal to plus or minus EI d square y by dx square. For solving this derivation, I am taking it as mx is equal to minus EI d square y dx square. For solving this coupled derivation, I am taking it as mx is equal to minus EI d square y by dx square. Next one is, every moment should be multiplied with some distance. So I am writing this is one of the rule for Maclaurin's method. I think everyone will have known this one. So this is moment at A and couple is acting with some distance. Just I am assuming. So every force should be multiplied with some distance, ma, for Maclaurin's method. This is the rule. So I am writing like this. M0 x minus A power 0. X power 0 how much? 1. So 1 into M0 how much? It is M0. So I am writing this equation as like this. For the Maclaurin's method condition, I am writing this couple into with some distance power 0. So power 0 means x power 0 how much? 1. So we will satisfy this equation. Okay. Now substitute mx is equal to minus EI d square y by dx square. So minus EI d square y by dx square is equal to RA into x plus MA plus M0 into x minus A power 0. Okay. Now I am taking this minus value in to the right side portion. So how the equation will become? EI d square y by dx square is equal to minus RA into x minus MA minus M0 into x minus A power 0. This is, I am taking it as equation number 1. Okay. Integrate equation number 1 on both sides. So if I integrate equation 1 on both sides, how it will be? EI dy by dx is equal to minus RA x square by 2 minus constant, some constant into, if I integral of constant is nothing but x norma. So how it will be? Minus MA into x minus x power 0 how much norma? It is nothing but 0. So M0 into x minus A. Okay. Now first time I am integrating, so I am writing it as plus C1. Okay. This is equation number 2. Again integrate equation 2 on both sides. If I integrate equation 2 on both sides, how it will be? This is my equation number 2. EI y is equal to minus RA x power, so I am using this formula, x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. You should know this formula. Okay. X square means nothing but x cube by 3. 2 into 3, how much? 6. Minus MA x square by 2 minus m naught x minus a whole square by 2 plus c1x plus c2. Okay, this is I am taking it as equation number 3. Okay, apply boundary conditions. If I apply boundary conditions, x is equal to 0 and dy by dx is equal to 0. In equation 2, what you will get, ma? X is equal to 0, dy by dx ante is nothing but you will get c1 is equal to 0. Okay. If you apply x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in equation number 3, this is my equation number 3, x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, what you will get? You will get the value c2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is my equation. So if I substitute this one, so c1 0 and c2, this c1 plus into x 0 and plus c2 also 0. Okay. Next one. Apply, one second, apply boundary conditions x is equal to L and dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. So if it is x is equal to L and dy by dx is equal to 0, what you will be in equation number 2? What you will get, ma? You will get this part is 0. In x place you substitute the L value. So it will be minus RA L square by 2 minus MA into L minus M naught into L minus A is equal to 0. Okay. Next one. Apply x is equal to L and y is equal to 0 in equation number 3. So what you will get? So if you apply x is equal to L and y is equal to 0 in equation number 3, this is my equation number 3. So if what you will get, ma? Sorry, minus RA into L cube by 6 minus MA L square by 2 minus M naught into L minus A whole square by 2. This part is 0. Okay. So the equation will be like this: minus RA L cube by 6 minus MA L square by 2 minus M naught L minus A whole square by 2. Okay, this is my equation, right? Just I have substituted in x plus L, ma. So this one is 0, c1 0, so c2 0. Just I have neglected that term, is equal to 0. So here I am keeping it as equation number 4 and this is as equation number 5. Solve equation number 4 and 5. Okay. So multiply equation 4 with L by 2 on both sides. Okay. So on both sides, how the equation will be? If I multiply this equation with L by 2, so L by 2 into 0, 0. L by, so the equation will come like this: minus RA L square by 2 into L by 2 minus MA L into L by 2 minus M naught into L minus A into L by 2 is equal to 0. So how the equation will be now? Minus RA L cube by 4 minus MA L square by 2 minus m naught L into L minus A by 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation I have got. Okay, so this is the equation. Now I am writing the fifth equation. What is the fifth equation? So it is minus RA L cube by 6 minus MA L square by 2 minus m naught L minus A whole square by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So on solving this equation, for making this equation like this, I am writing like this minus RA L cube by 4 minus m naught L into L minus A by 2. This term I am taking onto the right side. So how the equation will be MA L square by 2. This equation I am writing like this, minus RA L cube by 6 minus m naught L minus A whole square by 2 is equal to MA L square by 2. So the equation will come like this, minus this matter. So this both cancelled. So it is 0. Since it is plus and minus cancelled. So on solving, how the equation will be, Amma? See here, I am writing like this. So on solving, what you will get? Minus RA L cube by 4. This one is plus RA L cube by 6. So 4, 6 LCM how much? 12. Okay. So it is minus 4 3 is 12 plus 2 RA L cube. So it is how the equation will be? Minus 3 plus 2 how much? Minus 1. So it is minus RA L cube by 12. Okay. Next one. Next I am calculating this equation. So on calculating this equation I am writing like this, minus m naught L into L minus A by 2. This term is plus norma plus m naught L minus A whole square by 2. Okay. So I am writing like this. See here, minus m naught L into L minus A by 2. This is in the form of A minus B whole square norma. So I am writing like m naught into A square plus B square minus 2AB by 2. So how the equation will be? Minus m naught L into L square plus m naught AL plus m naught L square plus m naught A square minus 2 m naught AL by 2. So how this is minus m naught L square plus m naught, it will be cancelled. Okay, the remaining term is m naught A square minus m naught AL by 2. This is the equation I have got. So on solving this equation, on solving these two equations, you will get this value, right? So this is what is this value symbol? Plus or minus? So it is. So I am writing plus only, no ma. So I am writing like this, minus RA L cube by 12 plus m naught A square minus m naught AL by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So I am writing like this, minus RA L cube by 12 is equal to minus m naught A square plus m naught AL by 2. Okay, this is m naught is nothing but couple moment ma. So I am cancelling like this one. So it is cancel like this. It is 12 and this is 12 and 2 no ma. 12 2 6 how much? It is nothing but 12. So 2 6. So I am writing the equation like this ma. So it is this see here I am writing like this, minus RA L cube is equal to minus minus 6 m naught AL. So I am writing, see one second. So I am writing, for clear understanding, RA L cube is equal to m naught AL minus m naught A square. Plus term I am writing for easy understanding. So you will get minus RA L cube is equal to 6 of m naught AL minus m naught a square. Okay, you will get the value. What is the value, Amma? You will get RA is equal to minus 6. I am taking 6 m naught a common, ma. If I am taking 6 m naught a common, what you will be? L minus a divided by L cube. This is my RA value. Okay, I have taken m naught a common and this symbol minus I have written like this. So you will get this RA value. So substitute RA value in equation 4. Okay, see here, this is the equation number 4 now, ma, right? In this equation I am substituting this RA value. So how you will get? So how much value you have got? RA is equal to minus 6 m naught a into L minus a divided by L cube. So substitute RA in equation number 4. So this is my equation number 4. So how it will be? Minus into minus how much? Plus, no, ma. So you will get the value as 6 m naught a into L minus a divided by L cube. Okay, divided by L cube into L square by 2 minus ma L minus m naught into L minus a is equal to 0. Okay, so I need to calculate ma value, fixed and moment. So for that one I am writing like this. So here I am cancelling this, ma, L square L. So it will be remaining. So L term, L cube, remaining term L, 2 3s. So what will be the term? 6 3 m naught a into L minus a by L minus m naught into L minus a is equal to ma L. Okay, this is the equation. So I am writing like this: 3 m naught a into L minus a minus m naught into L minus a is equal to ma L square. Okay, have you understand this one? So I am writing like this: 3 m naught a L minus 3 m naught a square minus 3 m naught L square plus m naught a L is equal to ma L square. Okay, now what will be, Amma? See here, how the equation it will be. 3 m naught a L and m naught a L, how much it will be as 4 m naught a L minus 3 m naught a square minus m naught L square is equal to ma L square. This is the equation you have written, right? So I am taking m naught as common. How the equation will be? 4L minus 3a square minus L square is equal to ma L square. Okay, so I am writing like this, ma, minus L square minus 3a square. If I taking m naught common, here a also will be there, no, ma, plus 4al. Just I have written reverse to rasanante, minus term L square term, a square term, al term have written like this. So is equal to ma L square. So this I am writing like this, ma. See here I am taking the minus outside. So I am taking minus as common. How it will be? L square plus 3a square minus 4al is equal to ma L square. This is the term. So I am writing like this. See here, minus m naught into, I am writing like this, L minus a into L minus 3a is equal to ma L square. I am writing this one. See here, if you multiply these two both, here I am multiplying, see, L minus a into L minus 3a. So what you will L square minus 3al with a term minus al plus 3a square. So you will get L square minus 4al plus 3a square. This is the term, no, ma. See here, L square plus 3a square minus 4al. So I am writing like this term. Okay, so how the equation will be now? I have got the value. So by writing like this, see here I am writing like this, minus m naught into L minus a. I am writing this term as minus of 3a minus L is equal to ma L square. I am writing this L minus 3 as minus of 3a minus a. So what you will get, ma? Minus 3a minus into minus plus. Same term you will get. So minus into minus how much here? Plus. So you will get as m naught into L minus a into 3a minus L is equal to ma L square. So what is the I need to carry the fixed end moment at a. So m naught I can easily write that m naught into L minus a into 3a minus L divided by L square. This is my fixed end moment at a. So here I have got the fixed end moment at ma as m naught into L minus a into 3a minus L by L square. I have written it as, in L minus a is nothing but b, no ma. So L minus a is nothing but b. So I have written as like this, m naught b into, just I have substituted in L minus a b value, so I have written like this. In some textbooks directly it will be like this, so don't be confused. So I had got the moment at a value. So I need to calculate moment at b also. So what is the value of fixed end moment at a? See here, fixed end moment at a, you have got the moment at a formula. What is nothing but m naught into b into 3a minus L by L square. This is the formula when the fixed beam is acting with some eccentric couple. So I need to calculate the moment at b also. So for calculating moment at b, for calculating moment at a, what I have calculated? I have calculated the section from a to b. I have taken section xx and have calculated ma value. Similarly, if you have taken the section, so this is my fixed end moment if it is acting with some eccentricity. So see here, this is my eccentricity m naught and this is my a and this is my L minus a. Okay, we have got already ma value, right? I have taken the section at a and b. If you have taken the section, similarly, if you have taken sections from right to left, so here right to left means if you have taken the section like this. Okay, so here I have already calculated this derivation, so my video will become too lengthy. So same process. See here you have taken the section xx from left to right. So if you want to calculate the moment at b, you take a section from right to left. Same process, same process, don't be confused. See here a moment at x ra into x plus ma plus mb. Why? Because if you have taken the section xx, what are the moments? Ra, ma and m naught, right? So Ra is in acting clockwise direction, I have written as plus Ra and plus ma plus m naught. Here if you have taken the section from right to left, what are the portions it will be? Horizontal force, vertical force and moment. Horizontal force is neglected. Vertical force, in which direction it is moving? It is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So I have written minus Rb. Here moment also in clockwise direction, fixed end moment. So Mb. This couple is acting in clockwise direction. So plus Mb. So for Maclaurin's method, you should multiply with some distance. Couple moment should be multiplied with some distance. So I have written x minus b power 0. In previous case, what I have written? I have written x minus a. Why? Because it is at a distance left to right, so it is x minus a. It is in this section, it is taken from right to left, so I have written x minus b. So same process, if you solve like that, you will get, see here, same, you will get the Rb value as 6 m naught b into L minus b into Lb. Only one difference is, you will get the Ra as minus. Why? Because it is in clockwise direction minus the multiply jastam. But here it is in anti-clockwise direction, minus into minus it will be plus. So you will get Ra as here minus 6 m naught a into L minus a by L cube. Here you will get m naught b into L minus b by L cube. So similarly, if you substitute same process, this Rb value, you will get the Mb as m naught into L minus b into 3b minus L. So here what you have got, okay, like this. So I am writing like this. This is the equation Mb. So you can write like this, mb is equal to m naught, L minus b is nothing but a no ma, a into 3b minus L by L square. Okay, this is the equation you have got. Okay, so I am writing like this. Here I am writing like this. Similarly, if we take section from right to left, section xx from right to left, you will get mb is equal to what we have got ma? This is the equation, m naught a into 3b minus L by L square. Okay, next RA value, how much you got? Sorry, RB value. RB is equal to 6 m naught b into L minus b by L cube. These are my fixed end moments. So once again I am keeping this equation as 1 minute. See here, just I have taken from right to left. I have taken for Maclaurin's method, m is equal to minus ei d square y by dx square. Okay, minus, this is a substitute equation. On doing calculation you will get RB value. Next you substitute this RB in equation 4, you will get, this is the value. Okay, this is the longest derivation ma, చాలా పెద్ద derivation, కానీ ఒక్కసారి మీకు అర్థమవుతే చాలా ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. I think everyone have understood this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.